Hello everyone, I'm Coco Sherelle and this is my channel Blinginaire. As you saw from this title, yes, I will be creating a CC logo inspired pair of wide width Converses. Yep, I said it, Converse does sell wide width. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Hopefully you like what you see, hit that thumbs up and subscribe button to be part of the Bling family. For my returning viewers and Bling family, it's always a pleasure to have y'all tuned in. Now, y'all don't forget to give this video a thumbs up also, because you already know it's going to be another beauty. So if you would like to see how I get these done, please keep watching. To start my design, I'm taking some measurements on the side of the sneaker where I will be placing the CC Inspired logo. I used my web browser to download an image of the CC logo, and then I uploaded it into my software on my Silhouette Cameo machine. Next, I just adjusted the size to fit the measurements that I took on the side of the Converses. I love silver glitter HTV. I'll be using this for the CC logo. Just letting you all know, these CC Inspired Converses are not for sale on my website. Now that the image is cut, it's time to peel off any excess and heat press the logo to the side of the Converses. The next step is to adhere it to the side of the Converse. I went ahead and did that off camera. You can use a standard iron or a heat press. Now that the logo is on, it's time for me to prep these Converses and bling them out. As usual, my video will be sped up and I will pop in here and there where I feel I need to explain something. So please enjoy me doing what I do best and design these Converses. I'm about to start the CC logo, and I just wanted to let y'all know I have a couple of other YouTube videos with CC inspired designs. I will leave the link to those videos in the description section below. Hey guys, I wanted to let you know the difference that I see in these Converses. As stated in the title, these are wide width and they are a woman's size 10. Now compared to a regular size 10, I do see a difference. They are wider, and the toe part especially, and that's where a lot of people have discomfort. So if you are thinking about purchasing a wide width from the Converse website, please know that you will definitely be getting a wide width. Converses are made a half size bigger, and some people go up a size because they have a wider foot, but you don't have to do that. On the Converse website, they do provide wide width. Now, Converse is not sponsoring this video. I'm just letting you all know because I do Converses the most. Hey guys, I hope you all are still with me. So I want to add a cute detail to the laces. I went ahead and I cut out with my machine 2 small CC inspired logos. I'm going to add that to the middle of the laces, and I think it's going to tie the whole look together. So I'm gonna go ahead and lace up these sneakers off camera and come back with the finished look. So this is the finished look, and I think they came out so beautiful. I love the CC Inspired logo with the laces to match. It just ties in the whole design. You cannot tell me these ain't fancy. Look at the sparkle. They're just so clean and crisp. I would love to know what y'all think about these Converses. Please leave me some heart and diamond emojis in the comment section below if y'all feeling them. If you are interested in having me design a pair of Converses for you, please check out my website on Etsy. The link will be in the description section below, and leave me a message there. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video, and especially to my subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for all the love, support, and encouragement y'all give me. I do read the comments. So I will see y'all all at the next video. Until then, stay blessed and safe. Bye, Bling family.